Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope may be fine. Here we are looking at very beautiful Burmese dresses, designs, amazing design, amazing colors, different styles and amazing gorgeous ideas. The dresses are chiffons in one popular style which features fitted bodies, shirt and often comes with a Burmese parties wear dresses can also come in different styles. Some dresses may have intricate such as a lace embroidery of spances. When chooses these dresses are useful, it's important to consider the event and the season. For a formal event, these dresses are very suitable. I hope you like these videos. For my watching videos, please subscribe my channel. Amazing and gorgeous ideas. Here you are looking at very beautiful Burmese dresses designs, different colored dresses, amazing colors, amazing dresses and amazing collections. They come in a variety of styles, colors, different colored dresses, come common fabric used in this. Beautiful neck designs, different designs and amazing colors, gorgeous and amazing blouse, different style and different colors. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Please share my videos with your friends, your family members. Take a screenshot. Please like my video, subscribe my channel. Some common fabric used in these dresses, one popular styles, beautiful and amazing transitional color, and beautiful shirts